G'day everyone, it's great to see you all again. Luke here in my Tesla Hiace or Hiace Cybertruck. Which name do you think is better? Let me know in the comments below. In today's episode of our campervan conversion, things are about to get electrified. Yeah, it was just easier doing that than spending the time to make the door open. Now, it wouldn't be much of a van life if we couldn't spam our social media platforms with candid photos of us living in and around the van. So we needed to make sure we could charge all our media devices. And I guess a fridge and some lights too. But priorities. Wiring and electronics can be quite intricate, and doing it wrong can have some, well, unfavorable consequences. So I'm not going to stand before you in front of my Tesla Hiace or Hiace Cybertruck, whatever we end up calling it, and pretend that I know what I'm talking about when I don't. Instead, I will refer and encourage you all to check out professionals. There is heaps of great content and information out there, and I will leave a few links in the description box to sources that helped me. For the sake of honesty and integrity, I will keep this video simple and show you what I put in the van instead of an instructional on how to wire deep cycle batteries to different electronic appliances and circuit boards and all that mumbo jumbo. I hope you still find it informative because I'm really excited to bring it to you. And all right.
Please begin boarding.
Well, I guess I'll see you all on Mars. SpaceX Mission Control, this is Luke, ready for launch. Let's go! There are some incredible things that people have done with the electronics of their vans, and with a little bit of study, time and patience, you could do it too. But with the grandness of this build already, I didn't want to add just another thing that would take up heaps of time, so I decided to go with a prefabricated portable battery box that already had all the bells and whistles, along with all the fuses, correct gauge wiring, and appropriate connections. Yeah, it did cost a little more than building it myself, about $100 more, but I got peace of mind knowing it was all properly built and it came with a warranty. You might be asking, Luke, why a portable battery box and not integrated into my cabinets? Well, because it's portable. It's not confined to the van. If you want to remove the leisure battery and take it camping in another vehicle, you can easily do that. So what electronics should you have in your van? First, you have to figure out what exactly you want the leisure battery for. And in case it's not clear, leisure battery is the second battery of your vehicle. It's not a leisure battery. Well, I mean, you could use it for whatever you're into. For me, I wanted to be able to run a fridge, power some lights, and also charge some USB devices. Pretty basic stuff. Now, you can get pretty high tech with all of this, and I encourage you to have a look at what is available out there. But the more elaborate you get, the more expensive it's going to get, and the more technical it will get if you plan to build it yourself. So again, I kept it simple. I bought a bundle from a company called Home of 12 Volt, and the bundle I got was called the Thumper Redback 120 amp plus battery box green and dual battery kit. Included in the bundle was a 12 volt 120 amp hour AGM deep cycle battery. Man, that's a lot of words just to... I got a battery. I got a portable battery box, and it came with 2 lighter ports, 1 Merit port, just think like a high powered lighter port, 2 USB ports, 2 Anderson ports, and an LCD digital voltmeter gauge. Now, from what I've seen out there, You can get these prefabricated portable battery box with any combination of these plugs in them. You could find ones out there that have 3 lighter ports or 4 or 6 USB ports. Fortunately, there's quite a bit of flexibility, so you can decide how you want to get it. The dual battery charger kit, basically, it connects to the car battery, and when the car is on, it also charges the leisure battery, and when the car is off, it disconnects the connection between the 2 batteries via a voltage-sensitive relay. All of this came to a cost of $507, including postage. But looking at their website now, I can't find the same deal, but make sure you have a good look around because you never know what you'll find out there, and I know you can find some better deals than what I got because I saw them after I bought it and I was like, yeah, too late. The fridge. The fridge we chose was a 50-litre Ice Max from a local company called Sixth Gear. It's just a Waco fridge, body and compressor. It's just got a different badge. The fridge cover and postage cost $578. Unfortunately, I can't even find this company anymore. It would appear they're gone. But again, just look around for fridges. You'll be able to find something equivalent and probably something better priced. Solar, embracing the power of the sun. I mean, there is so much sun up there, we may as well use a little bit of it. Some people choose to mount their solar panels to the roof, but we opted to go with portable solar panels. So if we chose to park in the shade, we could simply place the panels in a position to receive optimal sunlight. I thought that made sense. We bought 200-watt, 12-volt folding solar panels from a local company called Sunyi, and including postage, it was $200. I thought that was pretty good. This also came with a 5-meter cable with Anderson plugs, but I also got a 10-meter extension cable. So you simply set up the panels and plug it into the battery box and bam, charging. Endless power from the sun. Now, the fan. As mentioned in the last episode, I was not a fan of, well, the fan. So I don't use the fan built into the vent and went and bought 2 Apola 10,000 milliamp hour 8-inch rechargeable fans. After my wife and I had spent a night in 42-degree temperatures, I was motivated to get something good, and these looked to be it. So the 2 fans and postage cost $153, which is more than I would normally spend, but they have been well worth the money. The fans have 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and power saving mode. And the fan can run up to 24 hours on the low mode. And once it's flat, or you just want to top it up, you just plug it into the leisure battery USB port and charge it up. You can also easily alter the fan's direction. I point my fan at my face and the wife points it at her feet. She gets hot feet. what covers the electronics in the van. It's not very complex, and that's how I wanted it. I just figured out what electronics I was going to have, and then what electronics I needed to buy to maintain and keep running those things. Well, I'm sorry I couldn't teach you anything valuable, guys, but I hope you got something out of this, and I hope I continue to show you that this van build or conversion doesn't have to be huge and elaborate and difficult. You can do it on a budget, and you can do it to a standard that is easy to achieve and really comfortable to camp in. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing you all next time.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time.
Alrighty then.